In fact, as we continue to track this, let's tell you big news that's coming in on that front. Ahead of the Supreme hearing on NEET, the Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested 3 AIIMS Patna doctors. So clearly that is big news that's coming in at the moment with the big action by the central agency. Let's tell you all 3 doctors have been taken for questioning. Seizures have also been made. Laptops and mobiles have been seized and rooms have been sealed. So clearly that's a big breakthrough in this particular investigation. What we're given to understand at the moment is that CBI has taken its biggest action so far in the paper leak case. Now look at the timing also here, because this is right ahead of the Supreme hearing, because this would be heard in the top court. Ahead of that, the central investigation, that is the CBI, has picked up 3 doctors of Patna AIIMS, and all 3 are students of batch 2021 is what we're picking up at the moment. That of course we'll try going across to my colleague to get us more details. But let's also tell you that the room of all the 3 has also been sealed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. As far as seizures, there are major seizures that have also taken place over here. According to sources, let's put things into context for our viewers. The laptop and mobile phone of all 3 have been seized and taken to the CBI. So clearly, big breakthrough in this particular case. The timing of the same is also coming into question, into effect rather, because ahead of the Supreme hearing on NEET that we were just breaking down for you with what has transpired over there, big action coming in from the Central Bureau of Investigation with the fact that they've made 3 big arrests. साकेत, my colleague joins me for more. साकेत, गुड मॉर्निंग. जहां तक ये एक्शन की बात है, बहुत बड़ी खबर है इस वक्त जो सीबीआई ने एक्शन लिया है ये 3 एम्स की जो पटना डॉक्टर्स है, और ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि बहुत सारी सीजर्स भी किया गया है. ज्यादा जानकारी दीजिए.
देखिए, बिल्कुल जो लगातार लोगों से सीबीआई पूछताछ कर रही है, कई लोगों को हिरासत में रखा है, रिमांड पर लिया है, उसी आधार पर सीबीआई ने ये बड़ी कार्रवाई कल की है. जो पटना एम्स के 3 डॉक्टरों को हिरासत में ली है पुलिस सीबीआई ने, और उनसे भी पूछताछ हो रही है. और जो आरोप है इन डॉक्टरों पर, इन लोगों ने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था. जो क्वेश्चन निकाला गया था एग्जाम सेंटर से, वो इसी क्वेश्चन को हल करने का काम इन डॉक्टरों ने किया था, ऐसी जानकारी मिली है. और उसी आधार पर सीबीआई ने इन लोगों को हिरासत में लिया है. इनसे पूछताछ अभी भी सीबीआई के दफ्तर में पटना में चल रही है, और इसके बाद क्या कुछ एक्शन होता है, क्योंकि और भी कई नाम सामने आ सकते हैं आने वाले समय में, और भी कई डॉक्टर के नाम इसमें चल रहे हैं. तो देखना होगा कि सीबीआई की अगली कार्रवाई किस तरह की होती है.
G, thank you very much, Saket, for getting us those details as far as what we're picking up with this big action. Remember, this is clearly a big indicative of a breakthrough that is coming. Having said that, let's leave it at that for the